Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Anyway, your phone won't stop ringing. And I picked up.
You did?
Winifred, are you okay? It was your mom.
My mother?
Well, I told her you'd call her back as soon as possible.
I didn't know my mother was back.
I should invest for somebody to come and be harvesting to horror me.
You bear to Dada Fanyahu that their family must prepare their minds to pay every dime taken from a full Gaduga. And that if Ceci comes back married, that marriage is declared null and void. I've spoken.
Nanama.
Yes, ma'am.
Drop the bag.
Ma, please.
I won't repeat it.
You mean I should drop the bag outside here?
I mean in your room. Drop the damn bag.
Thank you, Lou. So you take the car away, right?
Yes, sir. I will go wash them and bring her in the evening.
Oh, no. Just take tomorrow off and rest, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Wash it and bring it tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Good day, sir.
Okay, just drop it and go see Olu. All right. Okay.
Seriously, you're going to need a leave-in housekeeper in this house very soon.
Why?
Come on, you just need one. Especially days like this, when you can't cook and clean after yourself.
I'll just eat out.
Or I'll just cook for you.
Oh, if you'd be kind enough to.
Of course, you're my best friend.
All right, look, I'll go take my shower. You'd want to call your folks and let them know we're home?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Which?
You're home?
Yes, some few minutes ago. Well, I'm not home. I'm at Joshua's.
Okay.
What? There's nothing to tell.
You liar. Then what are you still doing at his place whilst his mama is gone home?
Come on, get off my back. See, listen, I'm going to call you back later. We have a long talk. I need to call my folks now.
No worries. Tell Josh I said hi.
Will do.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Are you going to explain yourself or what? Hey! I'm talking to you.
What do you want out of my life, Marjorie?
You are going to explain yourself right now. I demand it.
Explain myself about how you embarrassed me in front of a house help?
Don't talk to me like I'm stupid, Festus. You arranged to meet with her there. She slept in the same hotel you did. Of all the days you both could plan a trip, it had to be the same month, day, time, and same hotel? Huh?
Oh, Lord. So this is all about Betsy?
I'm not stupid, Festus. How can you make such a mockery out of me? Huh? How dare you?
That's it, Marjorie. I've had enough of this madness. What's come over you?
Tell me you didn't know she was going to be there. Tell me! You end on the same day and you get back to town on the same day as well?
Well, you seem to have done your research very well, so there is no need telling.
Why aren't you denying it? Why?
It's no use, because you're not going to believe me anyway.
You so knew.
I travel on a long distance for 2 days and come back to this? This!
Where are you going? Festus! Come back here. Festus? Festus, where are you going? You are not stepping out of this house, Festus. You are not. I am your wife and I demand to be respected as such. Festus! Wait, where are you going? Festus, talk to me.
Robert, open the gate.
Robert, you open that gate, you're fired.
Robert, I say open the gate.
I'll go to the press. I'll start a scandal. I'll tell the whole world what a lying cheat you are.
Robert, just open the gate.
Hey, you're home.
Yes.
I need to get your own set of keys. Come on in.
Thank you.
How's your mom?
Fine. Just the usual, complaining about me being unmarried, finances, my sister.
I know, mothers. But she needs to understand that marriage is not a hasty business and you're not ready.
Exactly what I told her. Especially after what Moses did to me.
Of course, but not that exactly. You need to be on your feet first.
You know what? I really should let you meet her. Maybe she'll listen to you.
I would love to.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, how is your sister? Is she fine?
That's a whole story for another day. Trust me.
Oh Lord, these little kids of today won't make us have some moments of rest.
I know, right?
I didn't feel for something solid. Fixing salad for myself. You want some? Or you want to fix something else for yourself?
I think I'll fix something for myself. But I like a bit of your salad as well.
Okay, no problem. You can join me in the kitchen once you've settled in.
Sure, okay. Sure.
All right.
Hey, are you asleep?
No. Was just...
Oh, your mom?
Yeah.
Mommy's boy.
Mom?
You need to call your father.
What's going on, Mom?
doesn't matter. Just call him.
What do you mean it doesn't matter when you're crying?
He stormed out of the house. I don't know where he's going.
So why don't you call him?
We had a fight. He's not picking his calls.
Oh my God. Did he touch you? Did he hit you, Mom?
What is going on?
I don't know. Dad, what's going on?
Nothing. Go get rest.
What do you mean nothing? Mom called me in tears, and she wouldn't also tell me what's going on either.
Josh, we are adults, and we can handle this.
You're kidding me. This is handling?
Your mother shouldn't have called you.
Well, she did. What happened?
Joshua, this is between your mother and I. All right?
Did you touch her?
God, no. Is that what she told you?
Well, she didn't tell me anything. What is so grave that you two would skate around with?
Your mother is behaving childishly, and I just want to avoid any more drama in that house. So I stepped out, that's it.
Where are you now? Why don't you come here for her to know that you're safe?
I'm a grown man. I don't need you to babysit me. I want to go somewhere that I won't talk to no one. I just want to sleep. I'll be home in the morning, so I can sort it out with her.
Okay, I'll call her and let her know that you're fine.
Fine.
Where are you staying?
Hotel? I'll call you when I check in.
Okay.
Good.
Is everything okay?
Just a moment.
Yes?
Dad is fine, Mom.
Well, where the hell is he?
He's on his way here. He's gonna spend the night with me. So, whatever it is, just try and get some sleep. We'll sort it out in the morning.
Okay.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Josh.
Wow. Is everything under control? Are they okay?
I guess. This isn't the first time. I mean, they have a problem, but they won't tell me what it is.
Some marital issues are kept private.
It's not the life I would want for my life, you know. You know, they look the perfect couple on magazines. They appear wonderful, but the picture is far from perfect.
Isn't that what marriage is all about? I mean, is there anything like a perfect marriage?
I want that.
Joshua, you can only try. I just don't want you to expect too much.
Even if I marry my best friend? Well, why can't we have that perfect life even if we wanted to?
Yes, we can't. I'm
All right. Come here.
Hey.
Where are you two coming from?
Do you need telling?
Action!
Why? What's wrong?
I need to talk to you.
Okay.
Excuse me, guys.
What's wrong?
What in God's name do you think you're doing?
I don't understand.
Running off in your condition?
You are upset with me because I went for a run?
Yes, I wouldn't be if you're keeping things low-key to keep you and the baby safe.
I am trying to be safe. And that's the essence of me going for a run in the first place.
Have you talked to Dr. Clark?
Do I need to talk to Dr. Clark about every little thing? Winifred has been pregnant before, and she convinced me about how perfect it is too.
She's not your bloody doctor!
I checked it online, and apparently it's safe. And stop using that swear word on me.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? You think embarrassing me in front of Winifred is fine by me?
Okay, fine, I'm sorry about that. But baby, you've got to take this thing seriously.
Look. Wait. Listen. Most experts agree that exercise during pregnancy can lower miscarriage, risk, and make mom and baby healthier by reducing stress, aches and pains. Build up stamina for...
Now you listen. Here it says that more than 20% of women surveyed agree that exercise within the first trimester could cause miscarriage.
Babe, you asked me to be positive. Here I am, trying to embrace it with my entire being. Zach, trust me,
No, I don't trust you. Listen, this is not you. You're just rushing with decisions. The fact that she can exercise while pregnant does not mean that you could also do same. Hey, honey, listen. Dr. Clark maintained that you have enough rest. And then stay away from all sort of active.
You think lying in bed all day is a stress reliever? I'm getting bored out of my mind.
Are you trying to tell me that you see no sense in what I'm trying to say?
I didn't say that.
What are you trying to say then?
Babe, I did everything Dr. Clark asked me to do on all occasions. But hey, we lost all the babies. I thought doing something different will save this one.
Alright. I still think you need to take it slow on this. Listen, I'm sorry you had to stay off work and be at home all day. I know you to be an active person, but I know this one is killing you, I'm sure. Listen, nobody needs this baby more than us, and so we need to check on each other and be careful we don't take any rush decision. Please. And I'm sorry for screaming at you.
Me too.
Now, go and take your shower. Stinking you. Come on.
Please, may I talk to you for a second? I'm so sorry for the mess I caused this morning. I didn't know taking her out would cause such confusion. I'm really sorry.
Don't worry about it. It's not your fault. Annie should have known better.
But I convinced her to go. You see, it worked so well for me and I thought it would do her good. But I'm sorry, I really am.
Okay, it's fine.
Maybe If you told me what I can do and not do around here when it comes to her, it would help.
All right. For starters, you can take her out running. And doing anything impulsive that comes to mind.
Okay, sure. Babe! Babe? Babe? I'm sorry about that again. I promise you it won't happen again.
Right. Secondly, she's not supposed to be carrying any heavy loads here. I know she likes you a lot as her friend, and even as a sister. But your being here is not only for companionship, but for you to be taking care of those tasks.
Okay.
And no experimenting or strange diet. Simply no surprises.
Fine. I'll be sure to check in with you before I try out anything with her.
Yeah, that's fine. Maybe you should. It's a good idea.
It's certainly not a good idea. What the hell is wrong with you?
Hey, baby.
Winnie, excuse us, please. What is this?
I was just having a conversation.
I know that, but what I want to know is why you call her and chastise her like a child.
I wasn't chastising her.
And I'm certainly not your child. What was that? My do's and don'ts? I can't believe you.
Annie. Annie. So why are you upset?
You bloody don't know?
No, I don't know. Tell me. Because all I'm looking out for is my wife and my baby.
Well, Maurice.
What do you expect me to do? Look away as if I'm not bothered or what? Well, I'm sorry. I'm not cut out like that.
You know something? Collect a book. Write what you permit me to do and what not to do.
Maybe I'll do just that.
Great.
Fine.
I will only support this dangerous move you're about to make if you can make me one promise that you will not return like this, that whatever shame this brings, whatever consequences there are, you will make it worth it.
I swear it, Dada. I will fight. I will work. I will do anything to excel. Go to school, learn a trade or anything. I can't do this anymore, Dada. It's only been a few days, but already I can't. I lost everything. everything. I am tired, Dada. I want to come home.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to